What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's. Going to go over Fantom, guys. We created that double bottom that we've been talking about yesterday on the channel. We're sitting at 222. We're already up 1% on the day. Fantom the Beast. We're sitting at market cap of 5.64 billion. 24-hour volume 2.16 billion. Just a quick update here, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, $25. Just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Fantom. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. So I said if we roll over here, guys, do watch for that double bottom. And that's what's taking place. We bounced right off 191. So what you can do is drop in your neckline. I'm going to pop over to the 4 hour time frame. You can see we are pushing towards overbought once again. So watch this neckline. It could definitely act as resistance. Let's head over to the 4 hour time frame. All right, guys, so we take the measurement from the bottom of our pattern. You can take it all the way from the wick down if you'd like to, and take it up to your point of breakout, and it will take Fantom right up past our first entry at 284. At 298 is your technical target if we break this neckline, guys. Of course, you want to wait for that breakout. We also need to get back above the 20 EMA on the daily, as well as we have the 55 EMA. We've already had 4 entries, and our break even, let me just pull it over here, is sitting at 234 for our friend FTM. Let's pop over to the daily time frame. So here we are on the daily, guys. We broke down from our double top pattern, and we're currently hitting it as resistance. So if we get rejected here and we roll over, then your target, let me just drop in a little price tag. Your target would be, the technical target would be 156. If we do see a throwback, guys, we still have to get above the EMAs on the daily and hold them as support if we were to see continuation to the upside for our friend FTM. If we look at the weekly time frame, you can see we've perfectly come down to the 20 EMA, but we are losing strength, guys. You can see here we almost came up to the previous all-time high, but we're losing strength on the RSI as well as the money flow on the weekly, which can signal the start of a rollover where you come up and you begin to roll over to the downside. We're starting to see a nice push for our friend Bitcoin, as we've been covering on the channel with our bullish divergence, as well as on the daily. I have noticed a descending Browning wedge. So we can break this level of resistance coming in about 37.5K for BTC. I do think we could see a nice push up to at least 40K and quite possibly 43K. Of course, the bearish scenario, we consolidate and we just drop lower. But we are seeing some nice volume step in for BTC. And of course, Fantom is starting to take off as it always does, one of the top movers in the market when Bitcoin sees a little bit of volume. So just watch the neckline, guys. It's coming in about $2.30. If we can get above it, then our technical target is past our first entry at 284. It's up here at about 298 for FTM. If we do get rejected though, guys, just watch 191. As we could see just a little bit of consolidation. I do think a bounce is due, guys, but we do have our next buy zone down at 136, which lines up with this level of support. But hopefully what we see here is Bitcoin can break out, get back above the EMAs, and we can see a nice push to the upside. That is the bearish scenario, but if we just consolidate like we did here and we drop lower, of course it will take FTM with it. But you can always trade if you're just getting into Fantom and you got in at 191. That's a nice trade opportunity to that level of resistance. Push a little bit higher, about a 14% trade, and our break even is sitting here at $2.34. So that's basically it for FTM. Just wanted to show you guys the weekly chart and the fact that we're finding support here along the 20, but we are losing strength, as well as money is flowing out on the weekly. And on the daily time frame, we have broken that double top pattern. We're currently back testing it as resistance. So if we don't break above it, your target is 156 for FTM. That's basically it for this one, guys. Early access to these charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon, and then you have access to the DCA charts for many crypto projects. If you'd like to dollar cost average with us into your trades, equal amounts at each buy zone drops your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.